YouTube, what is good? What is good? What is good? It's your boy BBASED. Today's video, bro, we're gonna try to help all the broke people out here, bro. Every single broke person out here, bro. We gonna try to help y'all, bro, because I'm broke and you broke because you clearly watching this video, so you must be broke. I'm broke as heck. Hey, bro, I don't got no money, but look. We gonna get you right, bro. We gonna get you right. Look, if you trying to start editing, if you trying to start clipping, if you trying to start streaming, anything that you trying to do that has to do with a PC, bro, I got you, because this is for all the broke people. This is a budget, bro. This is a budget PC build, bro. Or I want to say a budget setup, a PC setup, bro. I barely spent any money with this, bro, and it's going pretty good. I'm gonna be honest with you. Now let me tell you something though. Every single time before this, I try to search up everything, bro. Try to search up, oh, how do I start my PC setup? Type it up on YouTube. Type it up on Google. First thing that pops up is a white guy with a beard, nerdy looking motherfucker. I'm sorry, bro, nerdy looking motherfucker, bro. Trying to tell me, oh, I bought this Elgato for $200. $200. Do it look like I got $200 to spend on this little device, bro? No, I don't. I do not. Do it look like I can buy a Sony XL WZ XY 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 for $1,500? No, I don't have no money. I'm trying to do everything on a budget, bro. That I don't understand why I type these things and they not trying to help. But I do understand those because they're getting paid for it. Okay? Now I understand. They're getting sponsored by these people. So they have to say all these things, right? They trying to sell it. But I don't got no money though. And you don't got no money. So we just gonna be real about this, okay? Because I figured out a way how to stream, how to make clips, how to edit things. All in a budget, bro. Everything in a budget. I'm gonna be honest with you, bro. My setup, bro, is I probably, if I really took it serious, bro, my setup would make me hundreds and thousands of dollars. But I'm sorry, bro. I mean, I just don't really take it serious. I just do it all for, like, you know, fun and games. But I might help somebody out here, bro. You just never know. You just never know. But it is what it is. Now look, we're gonna get right to it. I'm gonna show you my PC setup, and I'm gonna show you all the prices on them. And it's really affordable, son, because somebody like me that don't really like to spend money, but I was like, dude, I have to have my setup because it's just the things that I like to do, bro. I just like to, you know, play the game, make some clips, edit little things here and there, you know. Now, if you really picky on your stuff, bro, you know, this video might not be for you, bro. But literally, I'm telling you, bro, if you was to know me, man, you would know that this is affordable, bro. It does anything that you want to do, bro, just to get started. Now, once I'm not ninja, I'm not ninja, I'm not a phase member, so it's just like, bro, I have to, we all start somewhere, bro. That's what I'm trying to say. We all start somewhere. Now, if you start making money off of this, bro, you might have to give me a little profit. You feel me? Nah, don't give me a little profit. You don't gotta give me no profit. No. I ain't taking no percentage. But you know, if you start making money on this, of course you could upgrade, bro. Start upgrading. But this is where you start, bro. This is where you start, my boy. This is where you start. And that's why I be trying to tell everybody, bro. Cause these people ain't gonna tell you. These people ain't gonna tell you this, bro. They ain't gonna tell you. They gonna gatekeep all this, bro. They gonna gatekeep all this because they don't want to see you shine. They want to keep it all to themselves. But I'm gonna show you, bro. I'm gonna get you right, my boy. Let's get to the video. Let's go. Yo, well, this is my entire PC setup, man. Everything that you see here is what I have got on a budget. Now I have the PC on the ground. It is a Cyber Power PC. 2 monitors on the desk. Whole lot of plushies just for decorations. And man, This is a crazy affordable setup, bro. Now let's get right to it. I have a camera. It is a Logitech HD 1080p, man. I got this on Best Buy for around $60 to $70. It's the most perfect camera I've ever had, bro. Now I do have it on top of a stand that I got from the TikTok shop, bro. This thing was about $10, and this thing goes crazy. It stands about 5 feet tall, and I do use it to make other TikToks as well. Now this is the mic that I use. It is a Turtle Beach Stream mic. It is compatible for Xbox, PS4, PC, anything, but it does go for around $65. Now personally, I do not recommend this mic. There are other affordable mics, but I got this one for free, so this is what I have to use. Okay, now this is the keyboard that I use right now. It is an HP keyboard. Now the PC came with the keyboard, but it broke, so I found this one in the back, and now this is what I have to use. Now I'm not really too big of a keyboard fanatic, so this is what I use, and it's, to me, it's honestly the best thing that I have right now. Now these are the monitors that I have. Okay, these are Asus. Got this one at Best Buy. I believe this one's the 27-inch, and I believe it's like 170 hertz. Now this is a little bit bigger. This one's the Asus, but it is about, I believe, a 32-inch or a 31.5. Now they are connected together. I can use them at the same time, so I can use the left one if I want to, and I can use the right one to watch like a video or anything. Doesn't really, you know, can just use both of them at the same time, which is awesome, bro. Love it. And I do a lot of things, you know, with these two monitors. Now this is very important. You do need this right here. This connects everything. Everything's about USB. Right now I have about 5 to 6 things connected just to this little device. This will connect your mouse, your keyboard, your camera, your controller, everything that has a USB. Everything is USB, so it's going to connect to that device. Now these are the headphones that I use. They are about $20. They are called On, and I got them at Walmart, bro. At Walmart. Now to me personally, I use these every single day. They are the best quality, everything that you need. I use them from gaming to streaming music, everything, bro, everything. Now finally, this is the PC that I own. It is a cyber powered PC, 12th gen i5-12400F. This thing was $800 at Best Buy at the time. I can't find any more pictures or the availability of it, but this is what I could have afforded at the time. Okay, I'm not really into PCs like that, but this thing works for me, man, and it comes with a keyboard and a mouse. Honestly, I feel like this is the best startup PC. So there you have it. That was the complete setup with all the prices included and everything, man. Now this is how everything will look when it's done. In a dark room, just chilling, playing Fortnite, listening to some music, editing videos, everything, man. This is your chill spot right here. This is an affordable chill spot, man. Does not get better than this, bro. Now, hold up. You probably scared out your mind right now. You're probably like, whoa, hold up. Why the whole scenario change? Why the whole scenario change? Well, chat, this is an application called OBS. It is free. Everybody uses this application, from Kai, Blackboy Max, Speed. Everybody uses OBS. Okay, chat? It is free. Once you get your PC, you have to download OBS if you want to start streaming and want to start making content. Okay? This is the best application and literally everybody uses it, okay? Now you're probably wondering, hold up, why is there a tunnel going, crazy? Well, it is capturing my desktop right now. Now chat, I am going to make another video. If this video does get love, I would make another video showing how to start streaming, how to start using face cams, how to start putting inputs and everything, chat, because I want to show love to everybody, bro. But it really is another process of the video, a whole process to, for that video and everything. So I will make another video on that. But this one right here is just, it's just, straightforward on, budgeting and everything. But chat, this is free, bro. Now I will show you a glimpse. It is mirroring what I'm looking at my desktop right now, okay? So look at this. This is just a preview, okay? We are going to emote. So if I was to stream, look at this. It is a square camera right there, and I can start gaming right now, okay? But there you have it, chat. $0 to start streaming, by the way. Crazy. But let's move forward, okay? Also, another great app, bro, is CapCut, okay? This thing is going to help you make all the clips you want. Every single clip. Look at all these clips that I have, okay? Let's make it bigger. You can create content on this, and it's going to help you make all the clips. Any clip that you want, bro. Any clip, okay? It is free. Install it. Start, okay? It's going to help you make all the editing, all the clips. Now, they do have a subscription option, but I don't even use it, bro. I just go and just make my clips and post. That's it, bro. This is how I start, though. This is a free app called CapCut, okay? But chat, this is going towards the end of the video, man. Look, I'm just trying to be the most honest, realistic person out there, because there's really not much of us, bro. There's really not much. And I understand it's always the business side, bro. Like, I understand, dude. I understand that it's just, people doing business out here, people not really trying to, be real, not trying to help. It's, at the end of the day, it's all about the bread, bro. But I don't care about that. I don't care. I know how it feels to be stuck. I know how it feels to be like, where do I start, and I know how it feels to be like, when do I start, But the only thing that I can tell you, chat, is just do it, bro. Just do it. Just start, bro. Now, you don't have to go step by step on what I get, but at least have an idea, okay? At least have an idea. Put it in your head that you don't need the best equipment. Put it in your head that you're not gonna be, as soon as you start, you're not gonna be Kai. As soon as you start, you're not gonna be Speed, bro. But at least you're starting, bro. At least you're trying to, do something, because you just never know. What if you make a clip? What if you make a video and it just blows up overnight? And now you in Alaska making a video with Mr. Beast. You never know. But I'm just trying to help everybody out, bro. Especially I know with this economy and inflation, bro, you're gonna try to save money here and there, And this video's it, bro. This video's it. Trust, bro, because I really did not spend that much money on this whole setup, bro. I'm gonna be honest with you, like, and it's working, bro, and it works. So chat, this is the end, bro. This is the end. I really feel like my whole setup, bro, is probably within, like, bro, less than 1,000, like 600, bro. Now, mind you, that's a whole good PC, bro. That's for somebody that knows about PC, they're gonna tell you, but my Starlink i12 does this and that, and I can do it, bro. I don't have that much money though. I'm broke. I'm sorry, your dad owns an oil field. I apologize, bro. I don't have no money though. So it's like, you know, but at least, they're gonna tell you that, but don't worry about them, bro. Don't worry about them. Just start. Just get you a little desk. Get you the monitors that I showed y'all. Get you maybe a better PC, a little bit better PC that I have, and just start, bro. And just start, dude. But appreciate y'all, man. If you did like the video, comment, like, and subscribe, bro. Okay? Because we trying to get started too, bro. We trying to be up there like Mr. Beast. Okay? We trying to be up there, bro. Peace.